Hi, I'm Suzanne Kelly, President of the Waukesha County Business Alliance. We're excited that legislation has been introduced to put the I-94 East-West Corridor project back on track. Last week, we were part of a press conference announcing the legislation, which would authorize the Wisconsin Department of Transportation to fund the necessary studies that would continue to allow for engineering and planning of the I-94 East-West Corridor. This is a critical stretch of highway for southeast Wisconsin. It really facilitates the flow of goods, services, and people throughout our region. This is a particularly important time to make sure that people can get to and from jobs. We have many job openings here in Waukesha County, and and we need to have access to the labor force in Milwaukee County. So rebuilding this critical stretch of highway is a high priority for the Waukesha County Business Alliance. We are really appreciative to Representatives Sanfilippo and Kuyanga, as well as Senator Alberta Darling, for taking the lead in introducing this legislation. They understand the important role that this stretch of highway plays here in southeast Wisconsin. More than 21,000 businesses and 300,000 jobs exist within a 5-mile radius of this stretch of highway. I think this really shows why this is such an important part of a vibrant economy in southeast Wisconsin. We'd also like to thank the many other Waukesha County legislators that have co-signed the bill. Next steps will be public hearings on the legislation before it goes to a vote before the Assembly and Senate and reaches the governor's desk for a signature. We encourage our members to contact their legislators and urge them to support the bill. And we also will continue to communicate our priorities with our legislative delegation and advocate in support of rebuilding the I-94 East-West Corridor.